Alright YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I am back on the KX250F, and I also did just get my BMW back, which I'm stoked about. I was getting a timing chain done on it and it was taking forever. Luckily it was under warranty though, so I didn't have to pay for it. But today we're going to be going to McDonald's, guys. I'm going to be trying to go through the drive-thru on the KX250 and see if they will let me order some food. But yeah, let's just get right into the video. I'm going to hop on the bike. There's a few things that I want to talk to you guys about on the way to McDonald's. Alright guys, we're going to go the back way to get there. It's about I would say like a mile and a half maybe drive to get there, so. This new bike feels so good, guys. Alright guys, we're making our way to McDonald's now. We're not too far away, but we still got a little bit of a drive. But there's a few things that I did want to talk to you guys about. The first thing is, once again, thanks for all the support on my videos recently. It's been helping me out a ton. And the other thing that I wanted to talk about is I'm going to be getting a new GoPro soon to try to upgrade the quality of the videos for you guys. I'll probably end up getting a Hero 12. The only thing I'm a little worried about is a lot of people are saying it's kind of a pain in the ass to get like your videos saved, and you might need to buy like a subscription, something to save the videos to your cloud. But honestly, I think it would be worth it though, just because the camera quality is just so nice, and I just want to make my videos better for you guys. And the other thing I wanted to say is I ordered all those new parts that I was talking about last video. The oil filter spring is missing, so I ordered one of those. I ordered a new back tire. I already got the clutch put on, the new clutch, but everything is on the way, so I'll have that probably within the next couple days. I'm curious what the McDonald's employees are gonna say. I don't think they're gonna really care, but we'll see. It is a beautiful day outside today, guys. I love this weather. This is like my favorite weather. It's like 70 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold. Alright, we're pretty close here now though. Just go up here. Alright guys, we're damn near here. Let's just cut into here real quick. Got the barber shop right here. I've tried to go in there like 5 times and they're always closed. Alright, we're here. Let's see if they let me. What should I get, guys? I think I'm just gonna get like just a McChicken. I always get it plain. Is that weird? What do you guys get everything on it? That shit's nasty to me. No, I'm not. Can I just get a plain McChicken? And then like a cup of ranch. Okay. And then that's it. Thank you. Alright, easy enough. What's going on, man? Thank you. Yeah, appreciate it, man. Have a good one. Alright, I'm gonna smash on this real quick. Well, that was fire, guys. They were cool as hell about it. I'm gonna go back this way. Another thing that I wanted to ask you guys is, do you guys want to see maintenance videos on the channel? Like just, you know, basic tips and just easy stuff, and then I could also do like a progression series or something on me learning how to do engine work and you know, more serious stuff like that. But speaking of series though, what I am gonna do at 1,000 subscribers is my wheelie progression video series. I think you guys are gonna like that a lot. I'll probably eat shit a few times, so you guys should definitely subscribe if you're not subscribed. About 98% of my viewers are not subscribed, so if you could, that would help me out a ton. I am gonna try to start to get more videos out for you guys. Right now I'm getting like a video out every like 4 or 5 days or so. if I could, it'd be ideal to get one every like 3 days, but it's just kind of tough right now with work. I'm doing a few different jobs and they're all very time consuming, so I don't have a ton of time on the side to be riding, unfortunately. Hopefully one day I could just make you know, like an okay living off YouTube, and then I could just go all in. A lot of people in my last video were asking me what's like the biggest difference you would say with the KX250 and then the YZ250F. Like I was saying in that last video, the Yamahas are just a bit fatter, a bit longer, but then they're shorter, whereas like a Kawi is taller and then like shorter in length though, so it's just the actual feel feels completely different. It's like driving a different car, you know what I mean? Like driving a Honda to like a BMW. Like they just have completely different feels, and one's not necessarily better than the other, you know what I mean? It's just like depending on what you like. Me personally though, I just love how the Kawi feels. I'm not like a really big guy, so I think I just like how it's like a bit shorter in length. It just feels a little easier to manage. The one thing I will say though that I loved about the YZ was how well it jumped. I think that had to do partially with how wide it was actually, just because it felt like, you know, your legs could hold on to it a bit easier. It just felt like you had more room to land on the bike, if that makes any sense. But alright guys, my GoPro's on 5%, so I am gonna make my way back to the house now. Sorry if the video ends up a little bit shorter today, but I do got plenty of content in the works for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. But until next time guys, peace out.